Bill's new mower from Jack's Equipment Company in Chillicothe, Ohio, and he has one in Greenfield. And this is the owner delivering it personally.
I'm Jack Hutchinson with Jack's Equipment Company. This is the Bad Boy ZT Elite. It's a 60-inch cut. We have a Kawasaki FR730 on it. This mower has front wheel independent suspension and it has a Reaper tire. All of your deck height adjustments are right here handy. Mower has a 60-inch fabricated welded steel deck, 7-gauge steel. One feature about this is the foot plate flips up and the seat flips up real nice and easy, so when you're finished you can blow your mower off and put it away neatly. So if you'd like to check one of these out, you can visit us at 81 Executive Center Drive, Chillicothe, Ohio, or our other location at 13201 McWilliams Road, Greenfield.
All right, Billy's taking his bad boy on the maiden